Good morning internet, it is 9:45 in the morning and welcome back to the channel. I am now in Howick and I am leaving right now. I'm leaving a little bit later than normal because I had some errands to run this morning. So it's already 9:45, so I better hit the road because I think it's going to be a long day today. I just realized that I already stowed away my map and it is too hot. So I promise you I will show you what the route was of today when I actually get to my destination, because I'm already hot and sweaty and I haven't even left yet. Ooh, it's going to be a hot day. Okay, where do I go? But even without the map, I can already tell you where I'm going today, what plan is. Today I'm heading towards the famous Sani Pass, which is on the Drakensberg, a very beautiful mountain area in South Africa, right at the border with Lesotho. And well, there are quite a few unknowns today. What's new? Because I don't actually know if I can go up to the pass, because the top of the pass is actually already past the border of South Africa and just before the border post of Lesotho. And I don't want to enter Lesotho for the same reasons I didn't want to enter Swaziland. And on top of that, I don't want to risk going to a very small country, because if the borders close again, then I'm stuck in a tiny country. Then I'd rather be in South Africa, which is really big. So unfortunately I will not explore Lesotho. It is beautiful, I've heard so many good stories, but I'll just have to leave that for another time. You know, always leave something for next time. So I'm now riding already at 1500 meters elevation. Sani Pass is at 2600 something. I believe from the bottom of the pass till the top it's 1300 vertical meters. But as you can see, I'm already going like a little bit like this to get to the beginning. I am the only one on this road. I haven't seen a single vehicle or person. Got the whole place to myself. And it is gorgeous. Oh, it is so beautiful right here. And I think it's only gonna get better, so I'm pretty excited about the day, to be honest. And I also think it's a beautiful day to do it. Apparently up the pass you can have sunny weather and snow and a blizzard and then sunny weather all in one day. So it can be pretty unpredictable. Look how stunning it already is here. Oh. Let me stop here and have a proper look back. Wow. It's so green. It's fantastic. Hello. No, don't get on. Really? Passing by a small village. I didn't catch the name of this village. I have arrived in the town Onderberg. Southern Drakensberg. And so 11 kilometers from here there is a place which is supposedly nice. So I'm going to see if I can stay there and then drop off my luggage. And then ride a light bike up the pass. That is the plan. But let's see, it's already 1 o'clock now. Time is flying. Good, so this must be the place. What a stunning place! It's a horse farm as well. I see a lot of horses over there. Maybe I can go horse riding here. That would be super cool. Lodge. Welcome to the lodge. Horse trails. Ooh, there's loads of horses. Cool. Hey vriend. Hey vriend. Hier. Waar is je baasje dan? Okay, as promised, I was going to show you where I went today. So I started this morning in Hawick, and then I went like this, and then I took this road, and now I'm close to Onderberg, and this whole area is the Drakensberg mountain. So this is the whole beautiful mountain area. And then Sunny Pass is actually up this way here, up to the border with Lesotho. So it is now 1:30, and so I decided that it's actually a little bit too late to also drive all the way up to Sunny Pass and back. So I decided to go to Sunny Pass tomorrow morning. What a beautiful place, hey? Because that gives me some time to actually have a proper lunch as well. I'm going to do that now, find a place to eat something. And then I'm actually going on a sunset horse ride today. How cool is that? So that's my new plan. Here, restaurant, the old Hatcher. So I decided it is time to try another real South African dish that I've never had before. This dish is called peri peri chicken livers. This is how it looks like. Do we have knives?
I don't think I actually ever had chicken livers before, or maybe in Asia sometime. I don't think so, but definitely never like this, like the South African way. So I think this is one of the livers then, I guess. Let's try it out. Yeah, it does taste like liver. Well, they're really soft. I think chicken livers is an acquired taste, which I haven't acquired yet.
Now let's go back quickly and then prepare to go down in horsepower even more and to go for a small horse ride. Should be really good. Don't eat my camera. Well, I think plenty of horses to choose from. I wonder which will be my friend for today. Hi! Ah, are you the guide?
Yes.
Oh, great. What's your name?
Busi.
Busi?
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How many horses are there?
We got 98% altogether.
98. Wow. Oh.
And what kind of horses are they?
This is the Basutu ponies.
Ah yeah, I heard about them.
Basutu ponies.
Yes.
From Lesotho actually.
Ah, from Lesotho?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Ah. Hello, horse.
Ratsi.
Ratsi?
Yes.
Hi, Ratsi. Oh, it's a beauty. There is some serious rain up that side at the mountains. Suddenly it just got all dark. Not sure which way I'm going. What an incredible place. Oh, I'm so happy that I came here on this horse ride. Because I do have to say, experiencing this on horseback is just different than on a motorcycle. This view. Can you believe how stunning it is here? And I think those rain clouds just make it unbelievably beautiful. What a day, what a day. I did not expect this when I left Howick this morning. But you know, that's a good thing about not really making a plan. So then you can just change the plan to whatever comes on your path. No idea where I'm going though. I'm now the leading horse, but I'll just trust my horse knows where we're going. Where are we going? Show me the way. Oh. Wow, these mountains are just unbelievable. Oh, this is so, just paradise. So that was it for today. What an incredible day. Now, I will not ever forget this place, I think. Just so amazingly beautiful. And then tomorrow I'm going up to Sani Pass. So I think that is going to be an unforgettable ride as well. Because in recent years there has been a really bad drought here in South Africa. I believe for the past 4 years there's been a drought. And then since last month, after those cyclones hitting Mozambique, there has been a lot of rainfall here. And that's why it is so beautifully green everywhere. But I've also heard now that Sani Pass, the road itself, is almost entirely washed away. So that's going to be a very interesting ride tomorrow. I'll see if I can manage to get to the top. But I think it's going to be a pretty rough ride. But we will find out tomorrow. So I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And then I'll see you in the next video.